What's up, guys? Welcome to the White Comet channel, the car vlog where we DIY, explore, and hopefully don't mess up. So today, we're changing the rubber inserts on my Corolla Cross. Instead of replacing the whole thing, I just bought rubber inserts online for about $8 to $10 each, way cheaper than new wipers. Quick heads up, I think this only works for OEM or original wiper blades, so I'm not sure if it'll fit aftermarket ones, so try at your own risk. Let's get to it. Here are the part numbers for the 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross, 2 for the front and 1 for the rear. First things first, grab a flathead screwdriver and pull up this little tab. Then gently push the wiper blade downward. Lift the arm a little and try to push the wiper blade away from the arm. Yeah, I know. I'm only using one hand in this video. Now, just do the exact same thing on the other side. I put some paper towels on the wiper arms just in case they snap back and crack my windshield. You don't have to do this, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Alright, time for the fun part. Let's start by checking the original wiper blade and how the rubber insert is placed. Now look at your new insert. Notice there's a lock on one side that holds it in place. First, pop off the lock on the old insert, then pull it all the way out. You'll see two metal brackets on each side for support. Transfer those to the new insert exactly the same way, so it fits perfectly on your windshield. Slide the new insert in, making sure the claws grip the middle groove. Push it all the way until it locks in place, and just double check everything. Now, just repeat the process for the other wiper. Time to install the wiper blades. Make sure the hook goes in, then pull it upwards, lock the tab, then push the wiper down. And same steps for the other side. Okay, lighting's not great here. My bad, guys. Now, let's do the rear wiper. Be careful since the assembly sits right on the windshield. Pull the cover from both sides, lift it up, then lift the wiper arm, and pull the blade from the bottom. For the rear wiper insert, we need to pull the insert's end away from the arm's end. Then gently pull the old insert out. And now, just transfer both metal supports to the new insert, just like before. Here's how I first tried installing the rear insert. Didn't work. The claws didn't grab the middle groove this way. So instead, start by sliding the insert into the middle claw first. Then push one side of the insert to end claws. Gently lift the insert at the arm's end. Take your time here to make sure the claw grabs middle groove properly. Pull it gently until there's enough room for the other end to go through the claw. Then push the insert in slowly and check your progress every time. Now, let's install the wiper blade to the arms clamp. You will need the flathead screwdriver to lift the tab that will hold the wiper. Don't use your fingers or you might hurt yourself. Put the wiper arm down and close the cover. Let's now test the front wipers. And now the rear wiper. Thanks for watching.